Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down the biggest stories in tech in under 3 minutes. Today, we're talking about a major move by Nvidia that could reshape the future of AI chip manufacturing. Nvidia just announced that it's bringing a significant portion of its AI chip production to the United States. The company has secured over 1 million square feet of manufacturing space in Arizona and Texas. Production of their powerful Blackwell chips has already started at TSMC's facility in Phoenix, while new supercomputer manufacturing plants are being built with Foxconn in Houston and Wistron in Dallas. They're also teaming up with Amkor and Sipil in Arizona for chip packaging and testing. Mass production is expected to scale up within the next 12 to 15 months, and Nvidia aims to produce up to $500 billion worth of AI infrastructure in the US over the next 4 years. CEO Jensen Huang says this shift will help meet growing demand, strengthen the supply chain, and boost resilience by making the US a core hub for AI development. This move also seems strategic, coming shortly after Nvidia avoided export controls on its H20 chip, reportedly by promising to invest more in US-based manufacturing. Other tech giants are following suit. OpenAI, Microsoft, and others are investing billions in American data centers, aligning with the current administration's push for America-first AI development. But it's not all smooth sailing. Nvidia faces challenges like trade tensions with China, raw material shortages, and a lack of skilled workers in chip assembly. Plus, uncertainty around government support could make future investments risky. Still, if successful, Nvidia's plan could create hundreds of thousands of jobs and pump trillions into the US economy. This is definitely a story worth keeping an eye on. If you found this update helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a story in the world of AI and tech. See you in the next one.